किसी ने क्या खूब कहा है, गब्बर सिंह ये कहकर गया, जो डर गया वो मर गया. How many of you agree with it? I guess every one of us. Hello friends, my name is Vartika and I am an IT professional. I belong to a small place in UP, Lakhimpur Kheri, and my hobbies are reading books, writing and cooking. Today I will talk about my learnings of the chapter Build Confidence and Destroy Fear from the book The Magic of Thinking Big. The author clearly states that no one is born with confidence. Those people you have known who radiate confidence, who have conquered worry, who are at ease everywhere and all the time, acquired their confidence, every bit of it. This fear of the unknown often leaves everlasting impacts on one's life. I will give you one real life example to connect. I guess almost every mother would be able to connect with it. We all have heard about post-child depression, quite common in women. It is a phase in their life when they look back on every incident of their life as being an unhappy experience. Their school days, marriage, the bearing of their children, the places they have lived, all are thought of negatively. This happens because they have started losing confidence in themselves and they have started keeping their focus on negative self-thoughts. So the lesson here is, do not build mental monsters. Refuse to withdraw the unpleasant thoughts from your memory bank. When you remember situations of any kind, concentrate on the good part of the experience. Forget the bad. Bury it. If you find yourself thinking about the negative side, turn your mind off completely. Fear of other people is a big fear. The way to conquer is that you should learn to put them into proper perspective. If you think confidently, only then you can act confidently. Therefore, the power of thoughts plays a vital role in killing your fears and boosting up your confidence. So I hope I was able to add some value to your life, mindset and thoughts. Thank you. Take care and good night.